Once your machine is powered on, go ahead and take 2 fingers, hold it in the top right for about 2 seconds. And now you're gonna type in your password. Go ahead and hit confirm. From here, go to equipment configuration, go to navigation bar and click it on. Hit submit. Back. From here, you can scroll up, hit this circle, click settings, go to network and internet, click Wi-Fi, find your network, type in your password, hit done. Now we're online. Hit back, go to Ethernet, make sure if you're using Wi-Fi that you toggle that off. Now your Wi-Fi is on and connected, your Ethernet is disabled. Now we're ready to program our aisles. I'm good to go.